Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is June and you're watching June Films. This video is going to be another one of an amazing and interesting video because it's day number 2 of my Jaipur solo trip. So first thing first, I went to the Patrika gate and it's a bit far away from the main city part. So it took me around 80 rupees to go one way and then another 80 rupees to come back. And the place was beautiful. The place was amazing. There is no entry ticket, so the place is free for everyone, and it's so beautiful. It's so vibrant. It's so colorful, and it's just, it's very beautiful. I will show you a few pictures here. As you can see, this one. I absolutely love this picture because it's just look at everything. Look at it, how beautiful the picture is, how beautiful the colors are, how vibrant, how nicely it's painted and decorated and everything. And you will find a few photographers there who will tell you that they can like click your pictures, 30 rupees per pictures. That's what the guy told me actually. And it's like not a printable form, it's taken from those DSLR cameras, and they would transfer it on your phone, which I think is not worth 30 rupees. But if you can bargain, you'll like get more pictures as well in quite less price. And I did that and I got around 50-55 pictures and 100 rupees. That's how much you can bargain. Trust me, you can bargain so much in Jaipur. After Patrika gate, I went to the city palace, and since I used my student ID card, I got the ticket in only 150 rupees, which was quite a steal, I would say. I got the city palace ticket in only 150 rupees. And the city palace, some of the parts of the city palace were like getting reconstructed, so I wasn't able to see those, but I like saw most of the part. And
so I entered from the gate number 2, and the first place that I visited was the Sabha Niwas, which is what you are seeing in the video right now. So the Sabha Niwas was basically the hall of public audience where the Maharaja would sit, and he used to listen to his public, जो अपनी जनता है उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को वो सुनते थे, and he used to solve and stuff like that. And he used to also greet his foreign dignitaries, I guess. एंड वहाँ पे उनकी बहुत सारी अलग अलग पोशाकें, उनकी पोशाकें, एंड देर वर लाइक पेंटिंग्स, एंड देर वर लाइक स्वॉर्ड्स, एंड अलग अलग जो उनके हथियार वगैरह थे, एंड वो सब भी वहाँ पे रखे हुए हैं. सो उन लोगों ने एक्चुअली हमको जो है टिकट के साथ में एक मैप भी प्रोवाइड करा था दैट लुक लाइक दिस, जिसमें पूरे म्यूज़ियम का मैप था. एंड नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन वाज द रथ खाना, एंड एक्चुअली वहाँ पे वीडियो बनाना बिल्कुल भी अलाउड नहीं था, बट आई स्टिल गॉट दिस क्लिप. एंड ये जो एक्चुअल में फ़ोटोज़ है वो मेरी वहाँ के गार्ड ने लेकर दी थी. ही वॉज रियली स्वीट, एंड दीज आर ऑल ऑफ द थिंग्स इन रथ खाना. So the next place that we went to was called the Mubarak Mahal. It is also turned into a textile gallery now. As you can see, there are a lot of stuff, including a whole bunch of varieties of clothes जो महारानियाँ वेयर करती थी एंड जो लाइक बच्चे वेयर करते थे. There is घाघरा चोली and there are like so many different type of gota Chunapatti work dupattas, and they were really beautiful. The next place that I went to was the painting and photography gallery. As you can see, there are a lot of paintings and there are a lot of different depictions. There were like paintings of Hindu gods as well, and there were a lot of paintings of the palace and everything.
So now our city palace is done, and honestly I was quite exhausted after everything. The cards were amazing there, especially the guard from the Radhkhana part. He was kind of like an old guard, but he was really nice. He clicked some pictures of me as well. It's kind of, a bit blurry and it's like unstable, but these are still very cute pictures. So also, the guards were really helpful with the directions as well. I mean, you will get a direction chart there, and honestly, for me, it was not quite helpful because I was keep getting lost again and again and again and again. So it was quite frustrating for me. After that, my next destination was the Jantar Mantar, and I'm telling you, I just sat there for over an hour because that place was so peaceful. I mean, all of those astrological things and the devices, they were there, they were in the front part. But in the back part, there was like this big garden, and there were sitting areas, and there were trees, the big trees with the border where you can sit, and there were these little squirrels which came to you, and the whole experience was nice, and I sat there for over an hour because it was that comforting and it was that peaceful. So I enjoyed my free time there, and then I saw all of the astrological things and devices there. I quite enjoyed it. There were this zodiac sign one, and I was keep trying to find my zodiac sign, which is Capricorn. If my next stop was going to be the Hawa Mahal, but I took a taxi from there to go to Hawa Mahal, and guess what happened? There were a few taxi owners or taxi drivers, I would say. So those taxi auto drivers told me that it's not really that enjoyable from inside. All of its beauty is on the outside. But I know they were saying that because they were the locals, and I should have gone inside, but I didn't because I just didn't. I was tired, and I was so yeah, a few people told me that going inside of the Hawa Mahal is not that much worth, so I did not watch it. I went to the market right in front of it, and I clicked some pictures, and here are the pictures. I mean, as you can already see, I look very tired, I look very exhausted, but I still got a pretty nice picture of the Hawa Mahal as well. I got the full pictures and I was quite happy with it, and then I roamed around in the the market in front of the Hawa Mahal as well, and I I don't think I shopped that much. I just shopped a kurta for my dad, and I think so that was it. And so yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked the vlog of my day number 2, and if you really loved it, if you want to know more about it and what are the expenses and stuff like that, you can just drop a comment down below and I will make sure to answer you. Also, like, share and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so you never miss any videos from me in the near future. And yeah, bye bye.